Hey everyone. It's the third day of distance learning, and we're learning a lot about how to get this done. Um, and it takes time, and so we're going to get through it. It just may take a little longer than we expected. Um, so, for all of you, the first thing I want you to do is every day when you log in to your computer, I want you to go to Google Classrooms. Okay. Once you're logged into your Google Classroom, I want you to go to Be Life English. Okay. Here at the Base Life English page, I want you to scroll down and go to where it says Daily Scheduled Assignments. This is where you're going to go every single day. Every day you click here. Okay. It's our schedule. I'm going to click right here. Okay. So this on the left side is going to be a message from me. On the right side, it's going to be your jobs. Okay. You need to log into the hub and you need to log in through the BPS login page. This is how your attendance is taken. If you click on this link right here, it will take you to the BPS page. You click on hub and voila, you are done. Then you can log right out. Okay. That's all you need to do for that. Then, if you need to contact me, you can contact me any way you need. I have email. We can use Remind. You can have a Google Hangout. We can do a Google Classroom. If you need help, click this form, fill it out. Somebody will contact you and help you with what you need help with. If you are struggling with technology or your computer isn't working or you can't remember your login, go here to the distance learning website. Click here, go to student information. There's all sorts of information on here for you, the students of Kennedy. Here's how you get tech help. Here's how you get internet. Okay, there's all sorts of help out there for you. So you want to use that. All right, so this was the first assignment on March 30th. If you haven't done these, please do that. This was yesterday's assignment with the brainstorming activity in the Flipgrid. If you haven't done those, please do that. And here is today's activity. Probably the hardest thing about this is being away from you guys. It's really hard for me to not see you and know you're okay. So one of the first things you're going to do today or tomorrow is you're going to set up a video chat with me because I want to see you. And the way you do that, the directions are right here. You do it through your Gmail. Okay, so I have this little cheat sheet here that tells you how to set up a video hangout. So I want you to call me and I will answer your call. Okay. I'll answer your calls between 9 and 11 or 1 and 3. Okay. I need to see your faces. I need to know that you know what's going on. All right. You're already watching the screencast. I want you to go to the narrative writing and I want you to do the cluster activity. Okay. So what is this cluster activity and what is this narrative writing? Well, if you go back to Base Life English first page and you go here to where it says narrative writing unit, yesterday you did the first day, the narrative, the brainstorming. Okay, so yesterday we looked at what a narrative writing is. We looked at an example essay, and then we did some brainstorming. Okay, I should have these up here, sorry. This is part of the example essay. And then this was the brainstorming activity I had you do yesterday. Today, what we're going to do is something called clustering. Okay. This is how you cluster. So what I do, because these are really small, is instead of leaving it in this view, I go up to present, and then I can see that it's a little bit bigger. Okay. So I'm clustering with the idea of getting a dog. And that's what the original essay that you checked out was about. So I said, I'm going to get a dog. Okay. So this dog comes with some new responsibilities. Okay. So I typed in responsibility here. It's going to cost me money. It's going to make me walk. But that walk is also going to help me get fit. And now I have an exercise buddy. Okay. So this is what clustering is. Here, I say it's a new experiences. I talked about my old biases, how I always thought dogs were not for me. And then I tried not to judge. Okay. I went on and talked about love, and I also talked about changing my mind. Okay. So what you're going to do is you are going to choose one of the topics from yesterday's brainstorming. You're going to go back up here into your brainstorming. You're going to choose one of these topics. Okay. And then you're going to come down here to this last page. And you are going to put your topic here in the middle. And then you're going to think of ideas that relate to those topics and type them into these 4 connecting circles. Okay? And then you're going to fill in these circles off of here and how they relate to each other. Okay? That's what you are going to do here. And that's all you need to do here is you need to fill out this cluster based on the one idea that you had yesterday, based on one of these topics right here, and you're going to cluster it just like I did about getting my dog. Okay? And you're going to do it on this page. Now, this is one of those that has text boxes, so if you just click on there, you can text into it. If you're having trouble seeing, you can hit Command minus, and that will make it a little bigger. Okay. And then when you're done with that, I want you to share it with me or submit it or turn it in, whatever it's asking you to do. All right. So we're done with that part. All right. So coming up at 1 o'clock today, there's an optional Google Hangout. If you want to meet me on the internet at 1 o'clock, ask questions, check in, whatever you want to do, you can do that. Tomorrow, we're going to start doing some free writing. And if you need help on any kind of assignment, anything, click here on this Google form and fill it out. And one of the special education teachers will get back in touch with you. All right. Remember, if you have questions, email me, send me a text, Google chat. I'm here for you guys. Miss ya.